beat the all-time high. Third time na yata to, di ba? So wala pa ako na all the time. Kasi maganda yung istorya. But you know what they say, all good things sometimes just come to an end. Magkakaroon ba ng part 2, 3, 4? Let's find out in just a bit. But before anything else, I think it's a great way for the cast to say hello rin sa lahat ng mga kapamilya natin and sa mga social media channels natin. If we're gonna give our cast and directors and our creative manager the chance to say hello to everyone, okay? Let's start with Sir Henry Kitay.
Good afternoon to everyone. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niyo dito. Enjoy the afternoon.
Thank you so much, Sir Henry. How about Sir Raymond? Direct.
Good afternoon sa lahat. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. You're that's sweet. Direct Ian.
Good afternoon everyone. I thank you for patiently waiting sa amin and we appreciate your attendance here. Xie
Xie. Legit. Direct May.
Good afternoon everyone. Sa lahat ng pumunta dito at sa mga nanonood online. Thank you very much for being with us and spending your afternoon with us.
Oh, thank you so much, Direct. Darren.
Yes, good afternoon everyone. To everyone who's watching online, maraming salamat po for tuning in. And we're finally here, the finale. Ito na po.
Ito na talaga. Miss Ina.
Hello, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. At thank you for coming. Let's all have fun today.
We shall have fun. Chi. Okay, finish the mic.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. Salamat po sa effort na binigay niyo para po sa amin. Let us enjoy this afternoon. Thank you so much.
We shall enjoy this afternoon. Alora.
Hello po. Good afternoon po sa lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. So, ang pumatay po ay si...
Ha? Uy!
Sasabihin ko.
Sasabihin mo na ba agad-agad? Jello.
Hello po, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Sana po mag-enjoy po kayo and shit.
Wow! Karina.
Ayun, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Thank you for supporting and loving Can't Buy Me Love. Let's enjoy this day together. Maraming salamat po.
Oh, okay. I think we should make it part of the hashtag. CBML, shit. Okay. How about you, Anthony?
Hello po, good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. And sa lahat ng mga nanonood, enjoy po kayo. Sheshe na din.
Ito, gets up.
Magandang araw po at ngayon pa lang gusto ko na po magpasalamat sa lahat po ng dumalo dahil kung day 1 po kasama na namin kayo at ngayon po sa finale media ko namin nandito pa rin po kayo sumusuporta. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat. Miss Nova Vilia.
Good afternoon sa inyong lahat. Nice seeing you again. Salamat po.
We always love seeing you, Miss Nova. Maurice.
Hi everyone. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for coming here. Let's all have fun. Shh. Thank you na lang. Hindi ko kaya eh.
Ayan, sige. So, wow.
Hello everyone, magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much for joining us and also to everyone who's watching right now. At gusto lang namin sabihin, Woman ID. Thank you.
Oh, and that means?
That means we love you.
Sinisrupa tuloy na pakawal. Ano ba sabihin ko? Okay, I will give you that time to think about what you're going to be saying later on. Kyla.
And good afternoon everybody. Pasensya po sa boses ko today. But thank you everybody for coming. Really appreciate it. Thank you for all your support and time and love. And ayun na, wala akong ambag sa ginawa nila. So thank you na lang po talaga.
Thank you. She's getting emotional.
Yes, my voice is gone. Pasensya na.
Okay. Mamaya papakiyakin natin si Kyla. Okay? Audi.
Hello po, maraming salamat po. It's nice to see you guys all here again where we had our first press con. Hindi po nag-load yung Google Translate ko, so wala akong Chinese.
Abangan namin mamaya, Audi. Eto na, nangyayari ang lahat. Miss Rupa Gutierrez.
Yes, hello. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta niyo dito.
Hello, and to everyone who's watching, hello.
Oh, okay.
Gusto mo speech?
Akala ko may Chinese greeting
Wala.
dito. Okay, abangan natin later on.
Like Turkish.
Oo, oy! Part 2 na yun, nakit pa nila. Ibang story po yan. Okay, Miss Agot.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. From start to finish, andito kayo. Thank you so much for your support. Sheshe!
Yes, yeah. Direk Roel. Chinese, up to you.
Did si Kaulo?
This
This is the day.
is the day.
Ang nakikitay natin araw. So, siyempre medyo sentimental lahat. Parang kahapon lamang na nandito tayo nagsama-sama for the pilot. Ngayon magpipinali na. So, malalaman nyo rin kung ano ang katapusan ng show natin. So, stay tuned.
Daming mystery na bumabalot sa lahat sa story na kaya Love. At may nakita ko, nag-rehearse kanina. I think you were mouthing something. Yes, Belle. Dami na kanina.
Okay, dito.
And finally, we can hear what is
the
happening.
best translate.
Belle?
Everyone here, wow, parang kailan lang we did our first press here, and now this is, the last, pag-prepare po ng tissue and water, thank you. Joke lang. But thank you so much for spending your time here with us, and let's just all have fun and talk shop.
Tosha. And that means?
Let's thank you and kopya.
Thank you. Alright. This guy wants to say thank you to Tony Pangilinan.
Hello po sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much for joining us. Tama po ang sinabi nila, Ahia. Diba? Dito tayo nagkita ng walong beses. And parang ganito rin yung setup. So very memorable to. A lot of memories are sinking. Parang parang kailan na nandito tayo lahat. And so much has happened in the show. More than 130 episodes na tayo. Grabe talaga. So sa lahat po nanonood din, maraming salamat. Chick ng Sasigo.
Which means...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wala baka muna na nag-cast of Kevin Manila. Ay, grabe. Nagbilang ka, no? Ako rin, magbibilang din ako. Because right now, ang current viewers natin ay 15,000 for this press con alone. Ang 15. So, palapakan po natin yung mga kapamilya natin. Thank you so much. And, what about our #priceless? We give our priceless gratitude to our business unit head na kasama natin ngayon. Palapakan po natin Miss Des Emmy Guzman. Hello, Miss Des. Okay. Well, meron kaming regalo sa cast members ngayon. That's of course our mga creatives and directors because I think kakagawa lang nung itong special na regalo na hindi pa napaparoon nila. Okay? And syempre, big surprise din para sa ating lahat. So, if you can look behind you or sa screens natin, I invite our cast members to look at our screens because for the first time ever, mga pamilya, i-reveal na natin yung second pasakot po natin.